With a touchscreen system, it's important to keep the screen clean. The question is, how do you accomplish this with a screen that reacts to being touched? To accomplish this, press the menu button twice, and then touch Tools, followed by Screen Cleaning. Use a clean, lint-free cloth as you wipe the side of the screen that displays Screen Cleaning, and when done with that side, press the menu button again to swap sides and clean that area. When you're done, press the back button 3 times to return to a full display. You can also press and hold the back button to go directly to the full screen PFD. Note the caution message in the pilot's guide concerning chemical cleaners and solvents. Those must be avoided to prevent damage to the screen and other plastic components. You can also refer to Garmin Service Advisory 2051. This is general guidance for cleaning and disinfecting all Garmin aviation products. To learn more, see our G3X Touch Essentials online course. Thank you for flying Garmin.